Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a Lotus Evora, hopefully in under 60 seconds. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and pull your bonnet release in the front just to access your brake fluid in the same way. You're going to go ahead and pull that. Next you're going to do is actually just go ahead and open this up. You're going to go ahead and remove this Phillips screw. This is going to pop right off. Next you're going to do is have access to your cabin air filter. You're going to go ahead and just pull that right out. It's relatively pretty simple. You can just reach down in, it comes out, and there you go. Pop the new one in. Other than that, hopefully it was relatively simple for you guys. I'll leave a description below with a link to some products if you want to order them for cabin air filter replacement online. Other than that, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Again, look in the description if you want a part number for this. Hopefully the video was simple and easy enough for you. Other than that, thanks guys.